Want to make 100 bucks a day on TikTok without a single follower, dancing, or even showing your face? Stick around. Here's how Gen Z is flipping the script and cashing in with TikTok shops, all from their bedroom. Most of us scroll TikTok, get hypnotized by cats, memes, and people doing backflips. But what if you could actually make money just by posting short videos without worrying about building a big following? That's exactly what's happening with TikTok shops right now. It's not just for influencers. Anyone can jump in, no audience required. Step 1. Open up TikTok Shop and set up your free seller account. Don't worry, no business degree, no LLC, no credit check. You literally just need a phone and an internet connection. If you can fill out an online form, you're in. Step 2. Head to the affiliate products section inside TikTok Shop. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a goldmine of trending products, skincare gadgets, kitchen hacks, cool tech, pet stuff, all with big commission offers. Pick a product that's hot and has solid video content from other sellers. You're basically getting a shortcut to what already works. Step 3. Now it's content time. But don't stress about showing your face. Open up CapCut, it's free, and use their viral templates. Add viral TikTok sounds. Think trending audio, popular music, voiceovers. Create 3 to 5 short, snappy, faceless videos every single day. That's it. These videos can be unboxing clips, reviews, life hacks, anything that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. You don't need followers because TikTok's algorithm pushes shop content out to new audiences. Consistency is the secret weapon here. Most videos flop, a few get traction, but every now and then one goes viral. That's where the money happens. A single viral video can bring in affiliate commissions around the clock. Yes, even while you're asleep or at school. There's no inventory. You're not shipping anything. No startup cash needed. The brands handle fulfillment. You're just the middleman, earning a cut for getting eyeballs on products. If you want to get out of broke student mode or just start stacking side cash, this is as easy as it gets in 2025. But the real secret? Volume and hustle. Most people quit after 2 videos. The winners post every day until the views and the sales roll in. If you want more 0 to 100 side hustle strategies, stuff nobody teaches in school, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know what you want to see next. Your first 100 bucks online is closer than you think.